Did you know that world's topmost athlete build their strength using zero meat? Yes, you heard it right. And what if I tell you कि आप भी अपनी प्रोटीन की सारी डिमांड पूरी कर सकते हैं प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोटीन के थ्रू while staying strong, energetic, focused as well as satiated. So let's break the myth and deep dive into the power of plant-based vegan protein, which is actually the game changer in a teenager's life. Hi, this is Smriti. I am a B Farm graduate turned into a teenage vitality coach, and from past 4.5 years, I am helping working parents so that they can help their teenager develop a beautiful, healthy, active lifestyle where they will be more concentrated, focused, as well as they can have a proper alignment with a healthy food habit so that they can develop an ultimate hormone balancing. So, why do as a teenager you need more protein as compared to other age group? बिकॉज आपकी जो एक्टिविटीज़ है, चाहे मेंटल एक्टिविटी है, चाहे फिजिकल एक्टिविटी है, इस एज ग्रुप में दूसरों के कंपेयर में ज़्यादा है ना. सो व्हाट्स प्रोटीन? प्रोटीन इज द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर ग्रोथ, डेवलपमेंट, योर मेंटल शार्पनेस, योर मसल स्ट्रेंथ, एज वेल एज फॉर योर इम्यूनिटी एंड फॉर प्रॉपर हार्मोन बैलेंसिंग. तो जब आप पढ़ रहे हैं, जब आप सो रहे हैं, किसी प्रकार की एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, या तो फिर इवन आप रेस्ट पे हैं, और इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू स्टे एक्टिव थ्रू आउट द डे, यू नीड प्रोटीन, योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. नाउ हियर कम्स द शॉकर. Dairy, which was believed one of the best protein, might not be as good as we used to think about it. According to Dr. Walter Willett, who is a professor of nutrition in the Harvard University T.H. Chan School of Public Health, today's dairy products are actually highly adulterated with artificial hormones and antibiotics, which are actually messing up with your natural body balancing, that is actually impacting your growth and development. Many people have trouble digesting dairy. The studies in the Lancet show 65% of total world population is actually lactose intolerant. It means what? Whenever they intake milk, they face issues like indigestion, bloating, acne or skin problem and other stomach related problem instead of giving any kind of health benefits. Milk doesn't always make your bones stronger. A study in British Medical Journal in 2014 found that drinking a lot of milk is actually not making your bones stronger. Rather, it is increasing the risk of your bone fracture. Why? Because of excessive acidity in your body. So you might be thinking, which is the best source of protein and calcium for my body? The answer is plant-based vegan sources, which are actually giving more absorbable calcium as compared to milk. So now let's understand why vegan plant-based protein sources are actually smarter choice. They are actually more cleaner and healthier. Food like chickpeas, soybeans, lentils or tofu actually provide us protein, fibers and vitamins without any bad stuff like unhealthy cholesterol. Secondly, they give us more energy and they are good for our brain health. Top athletes swear by it. Famous athletes like Serena Williams, Virat Kohli or Chris Paul actually choose vegan plant-based protein sources to stay top on their games. Last but not the least, they are good for our planet. For growing these plant-based protein sources, we require almost 80% less water and land, making it a good choice for our planet. Found this video helpful. Share this to a parent who really needs this. And to support our efforts, please hit the subscribe button. We would love to see you as a part of our community and our services. If you wish to discuss something about your teenager, just book an appointment for consultation with our expert using the link given in the description. Until the next video, this is Smriti signing off for now.